After installing an aftermarket radio, ensure you don't miss a minute of the morning zoo, your favorite music or the best in news and talk radio. This Metra antenna adapter makes your new aftermarket radio functional. Product type, electronic adapter. Package dimensions, 18. 796L×6. 35W×4. 318 centimeters. Package weight, 0. 3 pounds. Country of origin, China. Top reviews from the United States. It's an antenna extension cable, does what it's supposed to, no apparent degradation in signal quality. Reasonable build quality for the price. I would heavily recommend measuring your required distance before purchasing. I mentally mapped out the cable routing and figured I would have extra with an 8 cable and the 4 that was built into the antenna. I wound up having to take a shorter route, and much more difficult to hide, because I didn't actually physically measure. Not the product's fault but my own. TLDR8 is barely enough to fit a larger sedan, SUV, station wagon if your antenna is in the back.